Hello and welcome to this video. In the last video we discussed how to create a bent sheet metal, and in the next one, which is this video, I want to talk about how to add a tab 2001. To do this, I basically start the command, and the first thing you see is that I essentially need to initially select an edge. That means if I go here, I can either select the upper or lower edge. When I select the upper edge, the tab goes down, so it always goes in the opposite direction. That means if I were to open it here again, it would go up. This is how I can define these edges. In the next step, I could also define points here if I don't want the tab to be continuous. And of course, I have various options here for how I can attach this tab. I can of course define the length here, and I can also immediately see the preview. Of course, I can also definitely define it here and make sure whether I want to specify an angle or make it parallel to a surface or perpendicular to a surface. Of course, I also definitely have the option to define a milling edge here, where I can also set the tool. So I have many options here for how I can create this tab. Furthermore, I also have the option to add this as a sketch. This means that if I have a special shape for the tab, I can define or draw it as a sketch beforehand and then bend it. Once I have made this definition, I can easily and carefully use the middle mouse button to bend this tab and quickly and immediately add more tabs.